Product review, Epson EcoTank L5290. Shopee link available in description box below. Guide when traveling the printer. List of product inclusions. Number 1. Printer manual, warranty card and driver installer. Number 2. Free original ink bottles number 003. Number 3. Power cable. Number 4. Printer USB cable. We aren't using it because we connected the printer to the Wi-Fi network, which is more convenient. Number 5. The printer itself. Number 6. RJ11 printer to phone cable. Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity is big plus. Can also scan and copy documents in long coupon bonds. Make sure to remove the blue tape before using the printer. Here's the automatic document feeder. This is the scanner. It can only accommodate up to A4 size paper. If you need for larger size paper, you can use the automatic document feeder. You can retain this plastic cover if you want to. Let's set up the printer. Plug the power cord to the printer and to the outlet. Download the Epson Smart Panel from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Pretending to read the instructions. Searching for products. Make sure that your printer is turned on. Click the Set up a new product button. Click Continue. Turn on Bluetooth in your smartphone settings. Searching for products. Could not find the product. Oh no! Follow the troubleshooting guide in the app. Now, select the product to connect to. L5290 series. Now, let's get ready for ink installation. Continue following the instructions in the app. While waiting, let's try the adjustable printer panel.
Wow!
Next, we will now pour the ink to the printer ink tank. Make sure to follow the correct ink color based on the ink bottle. First is the black color ink. Wait for the ink tank to full. Next is yellow. Next is magenta. And last is cyan. Close the ink tank cover. Click Start button to start the ink initialization. This will take some time to complete. Do not turn the power off or open the scanner unit while ink is initializing. While the ink is initializing, let's connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Select the network you want to connect the printer. Sadly, it doesn't support 5G connectivity. This takes about 11 minutes. While waiting, connect the printer to the Wi-Fi by adding the password. Wi-Fi setup is complete. The smartphone and printer are connected. Ink initialization is complete. Next, we will now connect our laptop to the printer. Navigate to https://epson.s and /5 to 90. Click Download to download the printer software driver. Run the software downloaded. Click Accept to proceed. Check the checkbox I have finished filling ink into the ink tanks and click Next to proceed. Downloading required software. Installing required software. Select your connection method. Select the corresponding printer. Configuring settings. Select the software to install. After installing, you can now print a test page. Bought at 13,700 pesos only. Why should you buy this printer? Advanced network connectivity, You can connect it wirelessly to your home network, allowing you to print from any device connected to the same network. It comes equipped with a 30-sheet automatic document feeder ADF. This feature allows you to load multiple pages for scanning or copying without manually placing each sheet on the scanner glass. It's a time-saving feature, especially when dealing with multi-page documents. What are you waiting for? Buy now. See link in description below.